Hello everyone, I am Mesra Khan, pursuing B.Ed from the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. Today we are going to learn about something that affects millions of people worldwide. Yes, natural disasters. Has anyone ever heard about an earthquake, tsunami, or cyclone in the news? Maybe even experienced one. Don't worry, by the end of this session, you'll know what these disasters are and how to stay safe. So, firstly, let's know what is the definition of natural disasters. A natural disaster is a sudden event caused by nature that can damage homes, the environment, and even endanger lives. They are powerful, unpredictable, and can happen anywhere. Let's explore some common types of natural disasters. So, there are many types of natural disasters. Some of the major ones include volcanic eruptions. When a volcano erupts, it spews out lava, ash, and gases. Then we have earthquakes, when the earth's surface shakes due to tectonic plates movements. And tsunami, giant ocean waves caused by underwater earthquakes. And the worst one, floods, overflow of water that covers dry land. Tornadoes, high speed rotating columns of wind that can destroy everything in their path. Even you all can see a tornado in the current slide as well. So, this much information is not enough. So, let's try to understand more about these natural disasters. The first one is volcanic eruption. Imagine a mountain suddenly bursting with hot lava, smoke, and ash. Scary, right? This is what happens during a volcanic eruption. The earth releases gases, rocks, and molten lava from a volcano. The lava can destroy everything in its way, and the ash can cause breathing problems. Now, let's see what's an earthquake is. Have you ever felt the ground shake? That is an earthquake. It happens when the earth's tectonic plates move suddenly, causing the ground to shake. Strong earthquakes can cause buildings to collapse and roads to crack. There's a safety tip if you are inside during an earthquake. Remember, drop, cover, and hold on. The next one is tsunami. A tsunami is a massive wave caused by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. It moves extremely fast and can flood entire coastal cities within minutes. The safety tip which you can follow is if you feel an earthquake near the ocean, move to higher ground immediately. Then the next one is floods. Floods happen when too much rain or overflowing rivers cover the land with water. They can destroy homes, causes landslides and spread diseases. Another safety tip is never try to walk or drive through floodwaters. It can be deeper and stronger than it looks. And the last one, that is tornado. A tornado is a spinning high speed wind column that touches the ground. It can destroy houses, pull trees from the ground, and even lift cars. If a tornado is coming, take shelter in a basement or a small windowless room. Now that we know about different natural disasters, let's learn how to stay safe. When there is an earthquake, drop, cover, and hold. In case of flood, move to higher ground. And in case of a cyclone, stay indoors and listen to emergency updates. In case of fire, stop, drop, and roll if your clothes catch fire. Now, there is a general tip for you all. Keep an emergency kit ready with water, food, and first aid. Now, a question may arise in your mind that what else can be done in case of a natural disaster. During any disaster, remember these four important steps. The first one is stay informed. Keep an eye on the news or weather alerts. The second one, have a family plan. Know where to go and what to do. The third one, prepare an emergency kit. Pack water, food, first aid, and a flashlight. And the fourth one, take shelter. Move to a safe place immediately. Natural disasters can be dangerous, but being prepared can save lives. Always stay alert, follow safety rules, help others in emergency. Let's all do our parts to stay safe and help our communities. Thank you for listening.